Hello, everyone. This is the Sky Tour for the month of October 2020, brought to you by the Multimedia Learning Center at Frostburg State University. The event in the sky this month that you don't want to miss is the Close Approach of Mars, happening Tuesday, October 6th. Mars is the bright red object in the south-southwest during the evening. It's in the constellation of Pisces the Fish. The close approach of Mars is a big deal because its small size, about half the diameter of Earth, combined with its distance from the Earth and Sun, make it a challenging object to observe any details without a large telescope. Even though Mars won't appear as large as it did in 2018, it will be much higher in the sky, making it easier to see surface features, even with a modest-sized backyard telescope. When looking at Mars in a telescope, look for dark features, and you might be able to make out a polar ice cap covered with mostly frozen carbon dioxide. The evening of October 7 is the peak of the Draconids meteor shower. You can expect to see about 10 meteors an hour, but the Draconids are known for producing spectacular slow-burning fireballs. Unlike most meteor showers, this one is best observed early in the evening. The radiant of the meteor shower is located near the dragon's head. This is a fainter constellation, so it may help to identify the Big Dipper, Arcturus, and Vega. The new moon occurs on October 16th. When the moon is new, it's easier to find objects outside of our solar system. For example, this smudge is the Andromeda Galaxy. Located 2.5 million light-years away, it's the farthest object you can see with the unaided eye. Find it by first identifying the W shape of Cassiopeia. Then, find the square of Pegasus. The corner of the square closest to Cassiopeia is the head of Andromeda. Imagine that the top of Cassiopeia is like the head of an arrow that points towards the line of stars in the middle of Andromeda. Where these intersect, you'll find the Andromeda Galaxy. With a pair of binoculars, you'll be able to make out the shape of the galaxy's inclined disk. This is a simulation of what it looks like using one of our cameras at FSU. These are smaller satellite galaxies in orbit around the larger Andromeda Galaxy. Our Milky Way galaxy and the Andromeda Galaxy are on a collision course. They are expected to merge in about 4.5 billion years. Shortly after sunset on October 17th, you'll have the opportunity to see a double shadow transit at the same time as the Great Red Spot on the face of Jupiter. Jupiter, appearing next to Saturn, will barely be visible to the unaided eye by about 7 p.m. and the event ends at 7:43, so have your telescope set up and ready to go as soon as you can. In a telescope, the shadows of Io and Callisto will look like black dots. And the Great Red Spot is located in one of the darker equatorial belts. The last stop for this tour is a blue moon on October 31st. It's called a blue moon because it's the second full moon of the month. That ends this month's Sky Tour. This is Dr. Jason Spates, wishing everyone clear skies.